Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Techmindz. Myself Naveen Kumar. Smart Techmindz established in 2015, which is specialized in designing, manufacturing and marketing of voice communication products for the fire safety. We have more than 8 systems consists of more than 20 products. Over the years, we have dedicated ourselves to provide good service and standard quality products to our customers around the India. Some of our manufacturing systems are public address system, Talkback system, telephone interfacing unit, nurse call system and many more. Today in this video I am going to explain you about the Talkback system, how it works. Now we know in the normal PA system it's a one-way communication purpose where we can make announcement or any music option from the control station. But in the Talkback system we have the facility to talk back from the other end as well from Talkback speaker. Means Talkback system is used for the two-way communications in case of any emergency to communicate to the main controller room or the security room when there is an emergency or critical situation which needs to be communicated to controller room for the further actions from where the speakers are installed as per the organizational requirement. In our Talkback systems, we have mainly 5 devices. To name it, this is Talkback call station, Talkback controller, this is the amplifier and the monitoring speaker will be at the control room or the security room. These are the Talkback, different types of Talkback speakers will be installed as per the organizational requirement. In Talkback systems, we have mainly 6 different types with customization. The first one is conventional 4-core Talkback system. The second one is conventional 2-core Talkback system. The third one is addressable loop-in, loop-out Talkback system. The fourth one is 3-in-1 conventional Talkback system. The fifth one is 3-in-1 addressable loop-in, loop-out Talkback system. And the last one is IP-based Talkback systems. In conventional based systems, each speaker is connected to the main controller. Here we can choose 4-core and 2-core cables for the system. In addressable, there is no need of connecting each speaker to the main controller. Instead of that, each speakers are connected in the form of loop-in, loop-out format. So we can save the cable, installation timing, reduce cost and the manpower. In loop-in, loop-out addressable, Talkback system reduces the cable, the conduit and the manpower up to 40 to 60% compared to the conventional Talkback systems. In the 3-in-1 system, along with the Talkback speaker, MCP and hooter are added as additional features which are also customized. In the IP-based Talkback system is an audio management system that provides high flexibility in reconfiguration, system expansion that requires much simplified cabling structure. This translates to the significant cost saving in the installation cost and both labor and material as it requires less cabling. The system works very much similar to computer. The system can also be integrated with the other building services or subsystems such as the fire alarm management system to provide instantaneous voice assisted response and the feedback from each system. So now let's see how it works, the Talkback system. Now I am going to brief about the products of the Talkback system. The first product, here it is, we can see here this one. This is called as Talkback controller. It is addressable, which provides 3 loops and we can connect 2 amplifiers. Along with that we can connect 2 call station with this. So this is the art of our Talkback systems. Now the second device is Talkback call station. Here we can see the LCD display for the status and we have individual keypad for the individual zones to show the call status with the LED indication. Then we have reset button and the PTT. It is called as press to talk and release to listen. Then we have all call option and there is an accept button for the accepting the call and along with the mic for the announcements. So this is all about the Talkback call station. This is the monitoring speaker. It provides the output from the Talkback speaker. Next we move on to some of the different types of the Talkback speakers we can see here. Here this we can see here. This one is the conventional Talkback speakers which works on the 4-core previously. Now we upgraded to work with the 2-core. So it has a press to call button to ensure the call to the control room or the security room, and also we will get the announcement as well in this Talkback speaker. This is all about the conventional Talkback. Now let's move on to the second Talkback speaker. So it is called as the addressable loop-in loop-out talkback speakers. So in the previous, the conventional talkback speaker, we have seen that it works on the 4-core and a 2-core cable, which is eliminated and upgraded to the 6-core cable in our addressable talkback speakers. So what it means, the cabling structure of the conventional talkback speaker is the individual cable is connected from the each speaker to the controller. But in the addressable talkback speaker, the cable structure is loop-in-loop-out format. That is, one speaker is connected to the another speaker in the format of loop-in loop-out format. So by doing this, we can reduce the cable. And another difference between the conventional and the addressable speakers is we can see the LED indication for the status of the speaker to show it, which was not there in the conventional talkback speaker. And also we are going to assign the unique address for the each speaker in the addressable talkback speaker. Now let's see the third talkback speaker. It is called as 3-in-1 talkback speaker. Here we can see the hooter and our speaker and MCP. Hooter and MCP work with the conventional fire alarm panel, and our speaker work with the talkback controller. Now let's move on to the fourth talkback speaker. It is 3-in-1 addressable talkback speaker. Here we can see the hooter and the speaker and the MCP. All three together works with our talkback controller. Here the hooter and the MCP is connected to the controller in the same cable. Here there is no need of fire alarm panel. And there may be a question raised that what is the difference between the previous 3-in-1 talkback speaker and to this? So in the previous, there is a need of third party for the fire panel, which is not needed here. So because all three works together with the talkback controller. So like this way, it is different from the previous one. Till now we have seen about the talkback systems and its features. Now let's see how it works, means the addressable talkback system. This is the talkback call station, this is the talkback controller, this is the amplifier, and this is the monitor will be at the control room. These are the speakers installed at the field as per the requirement of the organization. So we have assigned it as zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 along with a unique address for each system, and there is an LED indication to show the status of the speaker. Now we show how it works. My colleague is going to press one of this zone. So now he is pressed zone 3. Now we can see there is a LED indication and along with the buzzer at the 3 keypad. So at the same way, we can see the zone 3 is calling in the display. So now I'm going to acknowledge the same. Now the call is acknowledged. We can see there is a stagnant LED. Before it was blinking LED, now it is stagnant once the call is received. That means the communication is established between the zone 3 and the control room. So now there is a button called PTT which says press to talk. When I press this, I can talk with them. When I release that, I can listen from them. So now I'm going to press this one. That means see, hello, hello, the call is received, hello. So now I'm going to release this so they can talk with me now.
Hello, yes, I can hear.
Yeah, see, now we can hear from the monitoring speaker at the controlling room. So once the communication is done, we can go to reset it. See, now the connection is resetted. Like this way it works. This is for the individual zone we have worked. The same way we can work it for the zone, different zones at the same time. Means if we can get the call from 3 different zones at a time, and we can receive them and we can put on hold them and we can speak with them. Now my colleague is going to activate the MCP manually, which triggers the hooter and as well as the indication at the call station. Now we are going. Now I have received the call, means I have acknowledged the call. Here we can see there is zone 1 fire MCP is on. So now once I have pressed acknowledge this call, the particular zone hooter is turned off and all other zone hooter is enabled. Now I have received the call. When my colleague activated the MCP, all the hooters connected to the controller are activated. Once the communication is done, on that basis, if the alarm is false or right, we are going to take the decision. If it is the false alarm, we are going to reset all the hooters. If the call is true, we are going to intimate the same information to all the zones. So when the communication is established, now I am going to talk with the particular zone by pressing the PTT. Hello, hello zone 1, the call is received on MCP, hooter is on.
Hello, there is a fire incident happened.
Information is received. In this case, the event happened is true. So I'm going to intimate the same information to the all zones of the system. So now I'm going to press the all call. Then I'm going to press the PTT. So I'm going to inform the same thing. Hello, hello, hello. It's an emergency. There is a fire incident happened in the zone 1. Like this way, we are going to announce the information which is related to the particular incident, and we are going to reset after the information is confirmed.